Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Central Uniona County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 1:15 p.m. At 11:58 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Central to Cramerton near Blacklog to Everett to Berlin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Muskogee exits, specifically for mile markers 226 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 151 and 184, and for mile markers 187 to 230. Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 59, between mile markers 61 and 64, and for mile markers 106 to 139. This snow squall will be near Central, Boulder, Jameson City, Fort Trevor, and Louisville around noon. Crystal Springs, Valley High, will begin urban around 12:10 p.m. Harrisonville, Leadville, Sylvia, Trevorton, Louisville, Colonel Denning State Park, Fairview, Springfield, Sangerville West area, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, west central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Snyder's to near Richland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect hazardous road conditions. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 45 and 62. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8 and between mile markers 10 and 67. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 11. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Hellertown, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sitting Spring, Laureldale, East Greenville, Wilberforce, Wyersville, Topton, Robinsonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Valley, and Burnville. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
Catch 28.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along the line extending from near Alpine Mountain to near Emmaus, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 48 and 50. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 59 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 39. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 309 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 47. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 14 and 54. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Montague, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Laura Park, Emmaus, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Boundbrook, Danville, Kivalina, East.
That's on the New York.
Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in
How did these not go off?
north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Milford to Norristown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 342 and 349. Northeast extension between mile markers 24 and 50. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 20. Locations impacted include Allentown, Trenton, Somerville, Somerset, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Ewing, Pottstown, Lansdale, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, Emmaus, Bound Brook, Manville, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Boone, and Hadboro. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, eastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 3 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along the line extending from Greenwood Lake to near Bridgewater, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 42.
Oh.
Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 18 and 54. Garden State Parkway near mile marker 133. Locations impacted include Morristown, Newton, Bridgewater, Carteret, Dover, Madison, Hockanpong, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelar, Hackettstown, Chatham, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, and Warren Plains. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights.
You can't be posting what?
Snow squalls. The visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.